In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time in Asana on your project. Whether you're managing a large team or organizing your personal tasks, knowing where your time goes is absolutely crucial. Let's dive right in and explore how you can seamlessly integrate time tracking into your Asana workflow. First things first, open your project in Asana as you normally would. Once you're in, head over to the list view. Here you'll find all your tasks neatly lined up and ready for action. As you scan through your tasks, pay attention to the plus sign or the drop-down menu that's labeled Add Field. This area is where we can introduce the magic of time tracking into your tasks. When you click on that plus sign or Add Field, a variety of options will become visible to you. Your interest lies in the Time Tracking field. By adding this field, you're setting yourself up to capture both the estimated and actual time spent on each of your tasks. Let's go through adding each of these in detail. Start by adding your estimated time. Locate the section inside the time tracking field that's specifically designated for estimated time. Click on it, which will allow you to input how long you think the task will take you. This is a helpful feature for mapping out your workflow and ensuring that you're dividing your time effectively among various tasks. Once you've set up your estimated time, it's essential to log the actual time you spend on completing a task. To do this, find the box labeled for actual time. Click on Add Time and input the duration you spent working on the task. Monitoring both the estimated and actual times can provide insightful reflections on your productivity habits and how accurate your initial assessments were. Beyond tracking individual tasks, there's an additional layer of oversight you can introduce by utilizing the dashboard feature offered by Asana. This dashboard acts as a wonderful tool for getting a comprehensive view of how time is being utilized across your entire project. This allows you to ensure that your time and your team's time are being channeled into the right areas and that you're on track to meet your goals and deadlines. And there you have it. By incorporating these simple steps into your daily routine, you can track time within Asana effectively. Doing so will provide you with greater insights into your task management, helping you align your efforts more closely with your project's demands. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video, share your thoughts and any questions you might have in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more time-saving tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy organizing.